Alright, today we're working on 46 Willys CJ2A. We have a gas pedal that's no longer. Ooh, I see you. Sharp edges, lay out. Gas pedal that's no longer attached. You might have noticed in one of the other videos that we were constantly losing the gas pedal. So you can see the rod coming out, but yeah, that's not right. So it's been welded once and propped up many times, so we're going to try to get that fixed today, along with hopefully installing a throttle cable here. So let's get to work. These gas pedals are supposed to be held on with a pin and a cotter pin. Naturally, this doesn't have that. We have a 5/16 bolt forced through and friction fit, so that's cool. The bracket is held on with 2 flathead screws, and the nuts on the other side are spinning, so we're going to figure this out. This may take a minute. Yeah. I gotta get under here, I guess, figure out some way to hang on to the nuts on the back side. It's dark, no can see. There we go. Oh man. Long screws. Okay. There's one. Ta-da! That was easy. Putting it back on would be a pain in the butt, but we'll get there when we get there. Yeah, she's been patched a few times before. So we got some new parts we'll throw at. Back in a minute. Yeah, let's throw something kind of heavy on there. Yeah. No, you're not gonna stay. Why you not stay? Maybe. I think so. Maybe we can get the nut started there. Probably should have some Loctite because I can see these coming off. All right, let's see what happens. My vice grips on the bottom. We got one ready to go. This floor is not big enough for the stuff I want to put on it. Careful not to destroy it. It's probably too late. Not grade 8 hardware for sure. This guy, I got the wrong nut for, so I gotta go get a new nut. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I found one I guess will probably work. Super confident, as you can tell. Yeah, they're spinning. Alright, I got my new pedal, but the ball's captive, which means I have to put this in first and then put the pedal on. So that's fine. I'll get that in the hole. That seems to work okay. We need my washer, which is hiding out here on the floor. I need my pliers. You can do this without dropping it. Nice. Now we just need the cotter pin. The hole's right there. It's gonna be cheap enough and easy enough to reuse the old one. Yeah, that looks kind of no good. All right, I'll be back. Oh. All right, I got my cotter pin assortment. I bought this assortment like 25 years ago. I even spilled it once and didn't get them all back in the box. And I still have 8 billion cotter pins. So if you're in need of cotter pin, I recommend go buy an assortment for 10, 12, 20 bucks. It'll last you probably the rest of your life. Here we go. Let's put the cover on so we don't spill them again. I'm gonna see if I can move you guys up here. Yeah, I don't know, something. Alright, let's see. Ow. Put that in the hole. I can see the hole. Why can't I see the hole? Glasses. These glasses are terrible. Actually, it's not the glasses that are terrible. It's the guy whose eyeballs behind him are terrible. Alright, that's in the hole. No? Yes? Maybe? No? You get weird on me? What the heck? No, it split the pin. Alright, put that. Alright, take two. Take two. And come on, guy, get it in the freaking hole. There, that's better. Ah, bye. Tell you what. Alright, I'm gonna go in under the hood and try to spread that cotter pin out. I think we got a thing now. And I believe that to be good. There's our pedal. Now I gotta find the pin for that. Oh, I got the pin right here, and another cotter pin. But also there's a spring that goes in there, so let me grab that. Ow! Grab that. Alright, here's our spring. Ow! Here's our spring. And you can't see what I'm doing. So let me turn this a little bit. Oh my goodness gracious. I swear to gosh. Alright, now you can see all sorts of things. Got a spring. And got a pin. We'll start. Dang nabbit. Right. Aha! Did it. I had another cotter pin, but I'm wedged here under the steering wheel, and I don't see the cotter pin. Which means I have to unwedge myself from the steering wheel. Oh, it's right there. Of course it is. It's right here. Why didn't you say something? Probably saw it the whole time. Alright, so now I gotta figure out where the hole in the pin is. Can't see that either, of course. And I can't get my other arm in here, so it's a one-handed operation. Because, you know, that's how we go. I got both arms in here now, so that's fun. Probably never get out. I don't know where the hell the hole is. If you can see it, blink twice. I swear to gosh. Are you serious? I think I found the hole, but it's way inside. Well, that's kind of bullshit. Well, that's interesting too. It only goes in that far, which is intriguing. Probably wrong, but anyway, I digress. I'm taking a pin out. Yeah, see? Clowns. The pin isn't even in far enough. The hole's not in far enough for the cotter pin to go in. So, yay for that. I'll tap those in, I guess. This thing's legit. So I'll just tweak these in a smidge. Not too much. Not too much. Because, you know, it'll pinch the gas pedal. We don't need that. Alright. Take two. I'm like, wow, it smells like gas under here. Oh yeah, because I'm babbling the gas pedal up and down. That's fine. That's fine. Where the heck is the hole? There it is. We missed the spring, so down goes the spring. And we'll get the other side of the hosey thingy. Come on now, second time's a charm. Alright, got to do the pedal, now we gotta get through the bracket. Ow! Alright, now let's do the bracket and through the pedal. Oh, golly. Now we gotta find the cotter pin hole. See the other one with a bolt, I think that was probably a good idea. Oh, there we go. It's almost there. She says no. It's still so tight that it won't fit through the thing. Oh my goodness. I got a smaller pin. Ow! Let's see if that fits through here. Oh gosh. Something Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Alright. Fold that out of the way because you don't want to hit that with your bare toe because, you know, everybody drives their Jeep barefoot. Oh, don't you? Oh, I see. That's why you can't see. The pin runs in to the top of the hole for the gas pedal, because of course it does. Because of course it does. So buttons. I don't know what to do about that. I gotta think about that. It gives us about half throttle, which, you know, is not terrible. But I'm thinking I might take these two screws out and lower the gas pedal and just put in some self-tapping screws. Or I could bend the throttle linkage, which is probably what caused the problem. Caused the problem with the ball being broken in the first place. Great googly moogly. Alright. See you soon. Well, it's in. I don't know if it'll ever come out, but it's in. Fabulous.